So here's a Lambda 160 volt power supply at 31 amps, I believe. And it had this connector right here, which I couldn't find anything with that kind of connector. So I hooked up my own cable to it. And this version is a 220. So I have 120, 120, and then ground right here. And then we have it grounded to this post. Well, the board, under this board right here, there's a, under this connector, there's a, this board's soldered onto another board, which has the main connections, ground, 120, and then 120. So I connected straight into those, coming straight out of here, and grounded everything to this, and then back to this, which will go back to the wall, back to your ground in the box, your power box. And here's the output, and then after you plug it in, it turns on. So it's just kind of loud. So we'll plug it in. It'll turn on, but we don't have any voltage. We can check right here. We have no voltage, so I put a little switch in here. So if I hit the switch, you can hear it turn on, and now we have 159 volts. And so we can turn this off and then unplug it and let the capacitors drain down. And next I'm going to find out what that potentiometer down there and then these three up here do, because maybe we can vary the voltage. So I can put something out here that'll vary the voltage, because I thought this knob did that, but it's just a lock knob to lock it into place. It's like a rack mount. But here's the power supply, and it's 30 amps at 160 volts, and it should run this motor no problem with the 4th axis. So I can put it on the mill. So the place is a mess because I'm doing a lot of experimenting. But to turn this thing on, you got a purple and gray wire, which if you look on this, you have 2 short pins right there in the middle. And so those short pins came out to be purple. Yeah, purple and gray right there. And I need to trim my nails. Oh my gosh, they grow so fast. Okay, so yeah, this connector though is what it came with, and I didn't know how I'd use this, so I just kind of came out with this. We have our power out and then our switchable turn on and turn off. So hope that helps. And again, this is the power supply that I used, and it's great. It'll run a big DC motor, no problem.